Gakere ateker, ekiro rangi Amusolo Pauline Leizel, alom tong tororo, atutubet nenyaritai apokor, itemela. Today I'm going to be talking about the months of the year. Let me teach you how they say the months of the year in Ateso and their meanings. Each month is named according to the seasons and activities that occurred during that time. Did you know that January in Ateso is called Orara? And this is because during Orara, the trees shed leaves and the women collected firewood since it was a dry season. February is called Omuk. During Omuk, the nature regains its greenery, symbolizing the renewal in our culture. It turns from Orarak to Omuk. March is called Okwang. It's the dusty season that brings people covered in dust. It reflects the challenges of preparing farmlands ahead of rains. April is called Odunge. In Odunge, the dust settles, the temperatures cool, and Odunge means putting off the fire, hence meaning the end of the dry season and the beginning of agricultural activities. May is called Opedele. Farmers plant seeds, but the scarcity of food leads to weight loss and slender stomachs. Opedele highlights the struggles of farming and the importance of food security. June was called Omaruk. During the month of Omaruk, ebale, also known as mushrooms, sprouted around anthills, and this enhanced the diet. And the clan of Irarak took advantage of this since they were food gatherers, and they cooked ebale kedi atap. When it comes to the month of July, this had a very interesting name, Omodoko Kingol. This was the season of harvest where there was plenty of food. Like, it was too much that the Atesos was so happy and joyous. Whenever you would find them, they would be celebrating, jubilating, ululating, and even dancing about this. August was called Otikoik because the Atesos expressed satisfactions and big stomachs from the feasting of the food that came from the harvest of Omodoko Kingol, and also it reflected the food security in the community as well. September is called Otiba. This is my favorite month. It signifies the importance of agriculture in the Ateso culture. There was plenty of food, wealth, and prosperity in this month. October is called Osokosokoma. Now, during this month, thatching of roofs and making of mud wall water was done. If someone traveled to Teso land during this period, they would be lucky to see high grass, also known as Emma. November is known as Osuban. Osuban is also known as a holy month because rituals were carried out during this month. If you had to go and clean a graveyard during this month, it was very okay. And also marriage ceremonies were carried out also during this month as well. December was called Opo. The sunshine returns, marking the beginning of the hunting season. The Ateso calendar is a symbol to the community's deep connection with the nature and creative approach to naming the months. Yalamanoi.